Did you know that people living in the Mediterranean region have a 25% lower risk of heart disease compared to other parts of the world? This is largely due to their unique diet. Let's embark on a journey through time and explore the origins of this fascinating diet. The roots of the Mediterranean diet can be traced back to ancient Greece and Rome. Picture this: more than 2,000 years ago, olive groves and vineyards flourished under the warm Mediterranean sun. The Greeks and Romans, with their simple yet profound understanding of nature's bounty, embraced a diet rich in olives, grapes, whole grains, legumes, and fresh produce. They savored fish from the azure waters and indulged in moderate amounts of cheese and wine. This is the cradle from where the Mediterranean diet was born. Over the centuries, the winds of change began to stir. As people migrated, they carried with them their culinary traditions. They introduced new foods and cooking methods to different parts of the world. These cultural exchanges led to an evolution of the Mediterranean diet, enriching it with diverse flavors and ingredients. Take, for instance, the introduction of tomatoes from the Americas in the 16th century. Today, can you even imagine a Mediterranean meal without a succulent tomato salad or a hearty tomato-based stew? Similarly, the spice trade routes brought exotic flavors from the east, such as saffron, cinnamon, and nutmeg. These spices added a whole new dimension to Mediterranean cuisine, enhancing its complexity and depth. From humble beginnings, the Mediterranean diet has traversed continents and centuries to become the health phenomenon it is today. Its rich tapestry woven from threads of history, migration, and cultural exchanges is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. And as we continue this journey, we'll delve deeper into the core components of this diet, its myriad health benefits, and the vibrant lifestyle it promotes. So, stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of the Mediterranean diet, a diet that's much more than just food, it's a way of life. The Mediterranean diet isn't just tasty, it's a nutritional powerhouse. At the heart of the Mediterranean diet are plant-based foods. This includes a bounty of fresh fruits and vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and nuts. These foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, playing a vital role in promoting good health and preventing diseases. Then there's the olive oil, which is used generously in Mediterranean cooking. This golden liquid is a primary source of fat and is lauded for its heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Olive oil not only adds a rich flavor to dishes but also contributes to better heart health and longevity. Fish and lean meats make a regular appearance on the Mediterranean menu, but in moderation. Fish, particularly oily types like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-protective properties. Lean meats provide protein without the excess saturated fats often found in fattier cuts. Dairy products like cheese and yogurt are enjoyed too, but again in moderation. These provide a good source of calcium and protein. And let's not forget the red wine, which in moderation has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease. What's notably absent from the Mediterranean diet are heavily processed foods and refined sugars. These are replaced by natural, wholesome, and nutrient-dense foods that are as good for your health as they are for your taste buds. Now let's talk about the scientific evidence behind the Mediterranean diet's health benefits. Numerous studies show that this diet can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The diet's emphasis on anti-inflammatory foods, balanced nutrition, and diversity of ingredients are all factors that contribute to these health benefits. But the Mediterranean diet isn't just about the food on your plate, it's also about how you eat. Leisurely meals, often enjoyed with family and friends, are a cornerstone of this eating style, fostering a sense of community and well-being. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about eating well, it's about living well. The Mediterranean diet is about more than just food, it's a lifestyle. This lifestyle is deeply rooted in the region's culture and traditions, with food playing a central role. In a typical Mediterranean home, you'll find the dining table bustling with conversation, laughter, and an array of vibrant, wholesome dishes that are shared communally. This practice of communal eating not only fosters strong family bonds and friendships, but also encourages mindful eating, which has been linked to better health outcomes. Food rituals are also a key part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. In Greece, for example, the midday meal is often the largest of the day, followed by a restful siesta. In Spain, the tradition of tapas or small plates encourages variety and moderation. These rituals, while diverse, are united by a common theme. Food is not just fuel but an integral part of daily life, a cause for celebration and a source of joy. The Mediterranean diet is also a reflection of the region's unique geography, climate, and agricultural practices. The warm Mediterranean sun and fertile soil are perfect for growing a plethora of fruits, vegetables, and grains, which form the foundation of the diet. Olive trees thrive in these conditions, making olive oil a dietary staple. The region's long coastlines provide an abundance of seafood, and the mountainous terrain is ideal for grazing sheep and goats, thereby supplying dairy and lean meats. The region's culinary traditions, which have been passed down through generations, make the most of these natural resources. They emphasize fresh, seasonal ingredients and simple yet flavorful preparation methods. This synergy between nature and culinary tradition has given rise to a diet that is not only delicious, but also nutritionally balanced and diverse. In recognition of its cultural significance and potential health benefits, the Mediterranean diet has been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. But it's more than a diet. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the power of community, and a love letter to the bountiful Mediterranean landscape. It's a lifestyle that's been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Despite its benefits, the Mediterranean diet faces challenges in the modern world. As our world becomes increasingly globalized, traditional diets and cultural practices often come under threat. The Mediterranean diet, known for its rich history and diverse culinary traditions, is not exempt from this phenomenon. Globalization has brought about an influx of processed foods that are often cheaper and more accessible than fresh, locally sourced ingredients. This has led to a shift in dietary habits, with many people in Mediterranean countries moving away from their traditional diet and adopting more Western-style eating patterns. Urbanization, too, has played a significant role in changing food habits. As more people move to cities, they often lose access to fresh, locally sourced foods. The pace of city life can also make it more difficult to maintain the slow, communal eating practices that are a hallmark of the Mediterranean lifestyle. But it's not all doom and gloom. Despite these challenges, the Mediterranean diet is demonstrating remarkable resilience and adaptability. Many individuals and communities are consciously making efforts to preserve and promote this dietary pattern. They're growing their own fruits and vegetables, sourcing food locally, and maintaining the tradition of communal meals. They're also adapting the diet to suit modern lifestyles, finding ways to incorporate its core components into quick and easy meals. Moreover, numerous initiatives are underway aimed at preserving the Mediterranean diet. These include educational programs to raise awareness about the diet's health benefits, campaigns to promote local agriculture and artisanal food production, and policy measures to protect traditional food practices. The future of the Mediterranean diet, like any cultural tradition, ultimately depends on the value we place on it. If we recognize and appreciate its benefits, not just for our health, but also for our communities and our environment, we can ensure its survival. The Mediterranean diet has stood the test of time, and with conscious efforts, it can continue to enrich lives for generations to come. The Mediterranean diet offers a tantalizing blend of flavors, health benefits, and a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. We've traveled through time, exploring the historical origins of this diet in ancient societies like Greece and Rome, and witnessed its evolution brought about by migration and cultural exchanges. The Mediterranean diet, a reflection of the region's geography, climate, agriculture, and culinary traditions, has been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. It's a testament to the power of food in shaping our cultures and societies. This diet's nutritional profile is nothing short of a powerhouse. The core components, including an abundance of plant-based foods, olive oil as the primary fat source, moderate intake of fish, lean meats, and dairy coupled with limited consumption of processed foods, lend to its many health benefits. Scientific studies have shown that this diet can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, certain cancers, and even promote longevity. It's not just about the nutrients, but also the anti-inflammatory properties and the overall balance and diversity of the diet that contribute to its health-enhancing effects. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about the food, but also the lifestyle it promotes. It emphasizes the importance of communal meals, food rituals, and the connection between food and the Mediterranean way of life. It's a holistic approach to eating that nourishes both the body and the soul. Yet, like all traditions, it faces challenges in the modern world. Globalization, urbanization, and changing dietary habits pose threats to its preservation. But there are initiatives aimed at preserving and promoting this dietary pattern in the face of these challenges, adapting it to modern lifestyles while still maintaining its core principles. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, here's to good food and great health.